Dungeness crab boil with shrimp, potatoes, and corn. This is everything you're going to need. You can always add or take away. I chose Morton's seasoned salt, paprika, lemon, and lime, lemon pepper, cayenne pepper, salt, and pepper. First, I started with steaming the potatoes for 10 minutes, then I added the Dungeness crab with the potatoes for another 10 minutes, then the corn for another 5 minutes. In a separate pot, I added 4 sticks of butter, all the seasoning, garlic, onions, and 1 squeezed in lemon juice. I also added the shrimp. After the Dungeness crab, potatoes, and corn was done cooking, I moved it over to the other pot where I was cooking the shrimp. I let that marinate for a good 2 minutes. Now you're going to want to grab an oven bag and pour this whole pot into that bag, tie it close, and let that marinate for another 2 minutes. Be very careful because it's very hot, but this step is necessary so all the flavor can get into the crab, potatoes, and corn. Put the oven bag into a metal bowl so it can stay warm while you enjoy your Dungeness crab, shrimp, potatoes, and corn boil. I hope you enjoy your meal because we did.